Yep. This is the winter storm of 2016. Holy cow. This is how the porch now looks. And my brother and I are going to start shoveling once this snow is stopped. Yeah, this is Ricardo Edwards, better known as Rick 1982 on YouTube. Just outside my front porch here in Brooklyn. And as you can see, it snowed everywhere. Look at all that snow. My brother, of course, loves this snow. That's for damn sure. But yeah, just wishing everybody, I wish everybody, hope everybody is safe. That's what I meant. Hope everybody is safe, and I hope everybody is staying warm. There's like some children shoveling. Let me see if I can get a zoom in. Yeah, there's like children shoveling snow right now, and it's still snowing. Look at that. But yeah, I'm just recording this to show you how it is out here in Brooklyn. I'm gonna get back inside where it's warm. So yeah, this is Rick 1982 signing off.